So Walter's here today. He's gonna replace his tires, his old beat up 35s. He's gonna take them from this to that. He's got new 33s. Cheapest brand he could get. He didn't care for whatever, just a going to town rig.
All right, we don't know what we're doing.
You ready, Nick?
I hope I can throw this in a video.
I hope so too.
Do you want Dawn?
Yeah.
All right, you got the right side you want out?
I think so.
Okay.
I think
Where's
it's
the dot?
I think it's unidirectional. Oh.
Okay, so we don't know what we're doing. Trying to get the bead lock on here for his beautiful Explorer.
Hey, bring the ring. This is the opposite.
What size was it?
Half inch.
Nicholas is still on that thing.
It's a half inch?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yes. So we got it on, we think. He's walking it around, and we gotta put air in it. And we might be all right.
It's the most time-consuming part of this.
Yeah, but it's so cool. If you ever go to a rock crawling park with us, you'd be able to air down to like 6 psi and just walk over everything. While we're over there, trying to bounce over it.
It's kind of sick, isn't it?
Okay, so we got the spare tire. That one wasn't hard because we didn't have to take a tire off. Then we got this one.
That's for you.
Yeah, just decorate the bucket.
Yeah. Thank you, bucket.
So he's got one brand new shiny tire. We had to move balance beads and everything. Oh man, that thing looks fresh.
Dude, this is sick. Look at this. It's a new tire. Ooh, I wore the wrong shoes for this.
Yeah.
Ruin my back first, and then you can ruin yours. That's okay.
I got him. So
That sucks.
I can hear everything.
Oh god. When I go to bed tonight, I'm not getting. Once I lay down, I'm not getting back up. I'm stuck in the bed.
So now that we've embarrassed ourselves with one, we will film doing another one.
No, we're not filming that process again.
He only
Let him see the final product, because that was awful.
It only took an hour. There's a lot of just random stuff in the yard. We ended up using a high lift jack in the Cherokee to break the bead off the back of the tire. And it only took us like an hour and a half.
Yeah, don't judge us. This is our first time.
Yeah. The next one will be easy though. It'll be nice and quick and fabulous.
I hope so. Oh,
So
Jesus.
we'll get this one on. We'll get that one off and bring it into the garage of chaos. And then see how we can get it out, and maybe we'll film it along the way.
Don't let them see the mess that we made.
Okay, Thomas is gonna take over on our ghetto redneck.
I don't know.
Ingenuity. Hi.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You can pull it up.
This is funny.
If OSHA was here, they would be really mad at us. There we go.
Yeah, I mean, it's like you
See,
broke
look.
it.
It's basically broke off. Look at it.
The most use my high lift jack has ever gotten.
It's kind of nice. But see, now when people look at it, they're going to go, in public, they're going to go, man, that guy must off-road a lot, because that jack's got a lot of use.
Fucker. Send it to
Squish
send her
it.
to hell.
Send it to the moon, buddy.
There it goes. It went then. There you go.
Hell
Dude,
yeah.
hell yeah. This is no, we don't need to go to your shop.
Thomas, we don't need
Sorry
the
you
shop.
wasted
Oh.
your
Look
drive.
at
Tell her
this.
to come
Let me
back.
call Jessica back.
Come pick me up again.
They're
We're
free,
just-
baby. What do you mean?
yeah. Well, basically the idea is that
Divide it by 4 or 5.
oh no, we're just taking however much out of each tire and then putting it back in the new tire.
Yeah. 35 to 33. It should balance more
Maybe.
because it should be more beads per tire.
Exactly. There's no way this could not work.
I've never used them, so.
Hell yeah, brother. You okay?
It was just mud and soap water. Did you see it? It was a shot straight to the head.
Are you okay?
All right, now.
Hey, remember what we did last time, right?
Yeah.
Let's not do that again because my ankle will never recover.
So
from
what
that.
we did? So we got the rim started,
Okay.
and he was standing on it, jumping while I was pulling the tire. And then when the rim finally popped out, it just clipped him right in like the ankle bone.
I'm jacked up. And you know what's stupid about it is I never do stupid stuff like that. It's cool.
He said,
okay.
He said it hurt so bad I might throw up.
Yeah.
It was a serious.
It's okay though.
You get a pry bar.
Cause you know
That's
what
what we were doing.
You know what I didn't do?
I was holding the pry bar. What?
I didn't cry because I ain't no punk. That's right. Nicholas, grab the spray. I'm tough. Farm content.
What if do you want to try it on the ground this time?
No, I know what I'm doing. I'm just kidding. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm doing my Kanye best.
But I'm the best.
You know what?
Cool while
We'll
I
do
stand.
it. We'll do it your
this
way.
Yeah, we'll do that. You might get another one then. Just walk it around.
Yeah. Keep pulling, Nick. Keep pulling.
Yeah.
Dude, you're so strong.
See, look at that.
You're so strong.
In my defense, I suggested that last time.
You did.
I said, why don't we lay it down? He said, nah, we almost got it.
That's yeah.
And then 5 seconds later, he lost his chin.
Every time I get pig-headed, that's what happens, buddy.
You can do it, Walter. You want me to do it?
No, I got it. I'm a man. Don't say it. You ready, puppy?
And I was like, I think, we're kind of leaning towards.
Nicholas.
You put anti-seize on the threads of the ring.
What about the lug nuts?
No, we
What-
just run those.
What do you put on lug nuts?
These nuts.
Extra torque.
Yeah.
Extra torque. Hey, I'm ready when you are.
I'm ready.
So you gonna hit it with a pry bar, I guess?
No,
No, we've just been.
No, we have a different system. It's not as smart. It'll work though.
Putting that side on
You said
raw, huh?
Somebody in the comment section is gonna say this is the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, that's gonna be me.
Hell yeah. If you don't do that, then I'll be disappointed. Look at that. All it took was a little perseverance.
Try AC test on steering suspension next week. This is helping me learn.
Hell yeah.
So, you want to make sure you start them all by hand. You see? Yeah, see? They're messed up when you don't.
Don't worry, I know how to not strip stuff out. Oh, that's reverse. When did you switch it to reverse?
When we took it off.
We didn't use it. It ain't doing it. Oh, I forgot your battery comes loose.
All right, so I don't know where we left off, but we got the tire on, the bead rim started. We were having a little trouble with it. I think that's when you turned it off, right? We were having a little trouble with it.
We fixed it.
But we got it on, we took it off, reseated it, and put it back on. And old Walter here is torquing them down. I don't know what you're supposed to torque them to, but everything on the internet said 20 foot-pounds with anti-seize and 24 without. So we're going with the 20 because I put anti-seize on it.
I like it.
Then we're gonna set the bead, and we'll throw it on, and then we gotta flip her around and put the fronts on.
I was a Michelin man for a second.
It's definitely a knockoff one.
It's the Kroger Michelin man. Oh yeah, look at that.
We did it, number 3.
We did it.
But Amazon ended up having a good deal on the on everything, so I'll probably just it.
Oh hell. Yeah, but
Right, he's got the back ones on.
to be honest.
So he's still got his 35s in the front. So those are his old ugly 35s. And those are the nice 33s. So now we gotta get the front ones done. And then we'll finally be done. Bye, Thomas. Thanks for coming.
Goodbye. Best of luck to you all.
Thank
Don't
you.
load the tire up. I deem you now certified.
Thank you.
Oh, yay.
That feels nice. Bye, Thomas. Thank you.
Okie dokie. This is the last wheel. How do you feel about it?
I never want to do this ever again by myself, or at home, at your house. I meant.
I wouldn't I mean, it did suck to do them all.
It's okay though. It was worth it. I'm glad that they came with the truck because if it came to buying these, I'd be like, hey, well, no, I'm buying these. It's okay though. They look really cool.
Well, you're torquing down the last one,
Thank
and then
God.
we'll be done. And hopefully, this was enough to make a video. So we'll see.
I hope it's a really long video.
It probably won't. I don't think
It's not going to be a long video. It's okay though.
But I got a folder on the channel. It's called Fixing the Junkers.
Oh,
I'll put it in there. It's normally just me and Thomas's stuff because everyone else has new stuff. But
hell yeah.
you can be in there.
Absolutely. I love Ford.
Well,
I
thanks.
really do.
Thanks for coming down.
Well,
It was a fun day.
well, thanks for helping me with this. I really appreciate it. This basically ate up your entire Saturday. So I really appreciate it.
I was just going to cut the grass and rebuild the diff, but it's okay.
Oh, well, okay, yeah. So you're still going to work on something. Got it.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. While I'm doing this, put new tires on my camping rig. My wife's car needs a CV axle. It's fine. I'll get to that eventually.
Or we'll come back when the wheel's on, and then we can look at it. And then I guess you have to drive it is all that's left.
Yeah, we're going to drive it.
See if the bead, what are they, balance beads work.
Dude, I hope so.
So here we are in the Exploder, testing out the tires. Little bad boys. The side of the car is so hot, it like sparked my arm.
Oh, dude, hang on. Let me fix this.
Max AC and digital AC, huh?
Yeah.
And you got rear control.
Dude, yeah.
Ain't that with it?
The rear fan is on, by the way.
I love this thing.
Dude, me too. Isn't it sweet?
Yeah. I hope it drives fine when you get up to speed left.
Okay.
I think it looks pretty good. Like they still fit the wheel well pretty well.
They do.
Well, I'm gonna call it other than the balance beads, but I'm gonna call it successful. You know.
It's fine.
We
I don't
can-
need to do 100 miles an hour in this thing, so it's okay.
We can call it a win.
It is a win.
See you next time.
Okay, thank you, Nick.
No problem.
Hell yeah.